Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Gu and Miss Su, chapter 102. So here it is. Let's read the story. This next day at 7 p.m. red carpet. This is the awarding ceremony. Everyone, they're getting crazier when they see Miss Su at this moment. Every media is taking her a photo, especially right now. Miss Sue, look over here. Everyone was taking a picture of her. Looking at Miss Sue, she looks really gorgeous. With a blue nightgown, well, she was really pretty. But when she looked around, she noticed now she's a little bit jelly, seeing Gusishi, her partner today, wearing a red dress. Of course, it was flattering to see her. Gusishi changed his styling team. Her aesthetic has improved a lot. Now, she was really smiling. The skirt was chosen by Suhishi. Now, looking at Suhishi, she was smiling at Gusishi, and the two of their eyes met together. Now, they looking at each other. Well, seems to be happy. I'm waiting for you on the stage. Suhishi said to Gusishi. Well, looking at them, their look both gorgeous. You can really deny it. Of course, right now. Suhishi, she turned around. Well, it makes sense right now. Gusishi, she seems to be shocked. Well, of course, she was with a man right now. Now, looking at her, she seems to be nervous. Tonight, I will compete with Yancy for the Best Actress. Well, this is it. Final day that she's been looking for. But right now, she was still hesitating. If she can able to win this. So she said to herself, can I really win? Well, of course, she was really worried and tense. Her partner said, relax. I'm sure you will win the prize. Well, it seems to be a little bit comforting what right now. Usishi, I'm not afraid of losing, I'm just afraid of living up to your expectations. Well, definitely she was right. Of course, if she can win, it was really sad. She really worked hard for this for a long time, and now there's a chance, but a possibility of losing is also high. The man seems to be worried. You, I declare that the best newcomer award is congratulations. Now the man's get up. It was Cheng Wei, Gusishi's partner. But right now, he's the one who wins for the best male actor. And by Cheng Wei to come on stage to receive the award. It was thunderous applause right now. Everyone seems to be welcoming. The next award to be announced is the Best Actress. Now, seeing Gusishi is being flustered. Well, we can blame her. She was really nervous. She can win the award. Now, she was looking at her phone, swiping. I'm a little bit nervous. What should I do? This performance is at most a tie with yours, so you have to be confident. Suhishi is comforting her right now. Seeing her text message like that, of course, she's a little bit calm right now. What will be announced next is the much anticipated. Please invite the presenter, the last winner of the Best Actress. Suhishi will go to the stage to present the award to the new Best Actress. Suhishi come on stage and open the winner list envelope. Well, Suhishi has been invited to go to the stage to present the award to the new Best Actress. Everyone, thunderous applause. Slowly, she was taken to the stage. Looking at her, she seems to be a little bit nervous, right? That's why she looks really serious. Although, she looks really gorgeous. Of course, she might be worried about Sushi's performance if she can able to win this award. Right now, Gusishi seems to be emotional. The red dress like that, she was look stunning. Of course, she really worried. After the shadow, Miss Suishi, who was nominated with you last year, well, she was right. I know you have cooperated before screen capture. Well, right now, Sue. The host is asking her questions. Right now, Miss Sue. I want to say, Gusishi, you are very powerful. Looking at the audience, no matter what their suit is. Well, definitely, she was right now. And her voice was really cuddling. Also, she was looking at Gusishi at this moment. Well, Suhishi seems to be calm right now. Also, Gusishi, feel moved and Suhishi is talking about her. Okay, then, we won't hold back. Suhishi tell to the people. Please open the envelope, Miss Su. Tell us who is the best actress is. Asking her again. But right now, Suhishi, she got the envelope and just now. Well, she must be really a little bit nervous because when she opened the envelope, of course, she will see who is the winner. Yuge, Yinsi, Gusishi, and Xiao Menlai. Now, she ready to open the envelope. Hold your breath. Now, Gusishi, you have waited for this award for too long. Of course, she will be tense. When Suishi extracting the paper, right now it's getting slower. She really expect that Gusishi will the one who wins this award. The best actress in this Golden Tripod Award is, right now, Gusishi. At this moment, eyes linger. Of course, seeing her reactions like that, guess Gusishi is not the winner. Right now, she moved her eyes down. Looking at her face, she was really saddened. Of course, she's really need to announce the winner. Right now, Suhishi said, Yinsi. It turns out, all Xiaojing's hard work, it turns into vain. She didn't win the award. Now, looking at her, of course, she might be expecting that she can win on this reward. Well, let's see it then. So, Suhishi will comfort her. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!